Hello friends, welcome to my channel My Motherhood Studio. Today in this video we are going to learn how to make a corner paper bookmark using origami as the technique. Since Chinese New Year is just around the corner, I thought why not make a bookmark which would even double up for the celebration. This year is the year of ox. So today we are going to make ox corner paper bookmark using origami. However, before we proceed with the video, I would want you all to take a pause. Just in case if you haven't subscribed to my channel, then please do it straight away and also hit the bell button right there. Do not forget, because this would help you get notifications whenever I upload new videos on my channel. Now, without wasting time, let's get started with the materials you would need to make this wonderful bookmark. You would need either origami paper or construction paper, whatever is readily available with you at home. Since the origami paper set I had did not have a black sheet, so what I did, I took construction paper and I cut out a square sheet from the construction paper to make this bookmark. And construction paper is usually a little thicker than the origami sheet, so I felt this will be quite sturdy to make the bookmark. I would also list down all the material in the video description, so do not forget to check the video description for the entire list. Apart from this, we will need any glue stick, to stick. Also, I have kept these cutouts ready so that our bookmark is ready in a snap. We will need horns, eyes, ears, muzzle and the ring to put in the bull's nose. For these eyes, what I have done, I have taken white construction paper and black and have cut two different size circles which I'm going to stick together. In place of this, what you can do, you can also use googly eyes. They are even more fun for children to explore with because they are going to move. That's why they are called as googly eyes. So let's get now started making our bookmark. However, I would want you to see how our bookmark would look like. This is what I have. We made this corner mousy bookmark for one of our daughter's book. This is what I made and gave it to her, and after that she made quite a few for her own. So this is how somewhat our bookmark is going to look like. So let's get started. I'm going to keep these extra papers aside so that I have space to show you how to fold the paper and go about. So we need to first take this square sheet of paper, and instead of keeping it like this, we are going to keep like this. Since I have taken construction paper, both side of my paper is black in color. There is a possibility that if you take an origami sheet, one side it will be colored and one side it will be white. However, the origami sheets which I have with me right now are colored both sides. So depends what you pick from the market. Now the first step is I need to match the edges. This edge to this edge. It's very simple, very easy origami to follow. Trust me, it's a very good exercise for children cognitive development too, because they will be using their thinking skills to follow the step-by-step procedure to make this bookmark. In addition, they'll be using their fingers and hand to make this bookmark. It would require them to follow, some kind of precision. They'll be basically using their fingers. As per Waldorf, when children use their finger, it's very, very good for their brain development. So let's get back. Now our first step was to match this point to this point. Now the next step would be we have to take this point and match it to this point. This is our next step. Now followed by this, the next is we have to match this point to this. So let's go ahead and use this point over here. So this is how somewhat your bookmark is going to look like. It's all right if children are not able to do exactly the way I am doing. It is also not necessary that they'll be able to match all the edges. Plus, please do not help them. Let them do it themselves, because it's going to give them a great sense of achievement. So can you see here? This is how my paper is going to look like. Before I proceed with the next step, let me quickly take you through again the steps I followed, just in case if you missed any. We took this square, we folded into half, then we matched this tip, then we matched this tip. Now again we need to open these two and take this tip and bring it down at the center here, right over here, and neatly press the paper. See, this is pressed. Can you see the marks? Now the next step would be to take this paper and fold it in here. Can you see? I hope you're able to see clearly. And there we go. So we press the paper in. See, this is a little thick paper, so I would suggest that you use origami paper with the children because it will be easier for them to fold. Construction paper is a little thicker one and it gets little tedious to fold it. Not that it is difficult and impossible for the children, but maybe if they are doing it for the first time, they may find it little difficult. So here we go. Our bookmark is ready. Yay! Now what all we need to do is make it look like a ox bookmark. So let's get started. We will use the glue. And firstly, I'm going to place the eyes. I'm going to get my eyes ready here. And there we go. Here. And the second eye is, I'm sure it's going to be a wonderful activity for you to do it along with your child. Now once my eyes are ready, I'm going to paste them here on the bookmark. This will help get the bookmark get a character to it. Otherwise, plain simple bookmarks get little boring. I share so many reading videos, I review books. So I feel it is very important that we make reading a very enjoyable process for children. So the more the fun things we bring about, it would really help children develop the love for reading. So why not make bookmarks interesting so that reading becomes more fun? So here you go. See, I have stuck the horns on the back side. All right, so here, and now let's put the muzzle through here. There we go. Simple. It's a no mess activity. It will be very easy and fun for your child to follow, and they would have this sense of accomplishment once they are done doing it. Okay, here there is a trick. After putting this, we need to first stick the ring before sticking these black dots on here, because the black dots need to cover the edges of the ring, otherwise it won't look very neat. There we go. And here goes our ring. Put it little down, but not very down, otherwise it won't fit in the book edge very neatly. Here we go, and there we go. This and this. Wow, this looks pretty cool. Okay, all right, so now our horns, eyes, the ring, and the muzzle is set. Now we are going to stick the ears also right behind the horns. There we go, like this. And the other one will come here. It's a very, very simple, as I said, no mess activity, and it's a lot of fun for the children. So here our ox bookmark is all ready. And how are we going to use it? Here is our book, and our bookmark goes in like here. I hope you enjoyed making these bookmarks, and you can really explore more ideas of bookmarks along with your children for various occasions. Or you may also pick their favorite topics and try to create something of their favorite characters or animals. So thank you so much for watching today's video. Wishing you all a very happy Chinese New Year or Lunar New Year. May God bless you with a lot of happiness and abundance in everything you all do. And stay tuned for more videos coming along your way on my channel. Thank you once again. Tata, bye bye. See you.